So why Tahiti? What brought you here?
I want to chase adventures.
Hello, who's this guy?
What's it like sailing out there all alone?
You're either sleep deprived or seasick, and after a few days, there's hallucinations.
Why do you do it?
Feeling I can't describe. Just you and the infinite horizon.
Sailor, is it the burning thing?
How would you like to sail us out into California for us?
I think 1,000 miles is insane.
I'm not going anywhere without you. Come sail with me.
Bon voyage, lovers!
Hurricane Raymond has taken an unexpected turn and has been upgraded to a Category 5. I love you.
Get below! I'm not leaving you! Get below now! Oh my god! Oh my god! Go! Richard! It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna take care of you. I can't do this.
You can do anything you put your mind to. Halfway around the world, we'll find you.
I'm not letting you go.
I saw it in the window. I thought of you. Frangipani, flower of love. Would you please marry me? Will you sail around the world with me?